A day in Calanques. Hello everyone, welcome back. You know me, I am Sam. In my last story I shared my day in Marseille, full of fun, sights and tasty food. Today I'm excited to share a day in Calanques, a beautiful place close to Marseille, known for its amazing sea views, clear waters, and steep rocky cliffs. I will also meet a friend who lives there, and we will explore together. This story is in simple English to help you learn while enjoying a new travel adventure. Let's begin. The Calanques are about 30 kilometers, around 18 miles from Marseille, and by road it takes about 30 minutes by car. I could take a bus or boat, but I decided to go by car so I can enjoy the views along the way. I shared this plan with you in the last video, and today is the day. I leave my hotel in Marseille early in the morning, excited for the day ahead. The road to Calanques is lovely. I can see the hills, the sea, and the sky blending together in shades of blue and green. I take deep breaths and feel the fresh air. It's not a long drive, but each turn of the road brings a new view of the coast and makes the journey feel magical. When I arrive, I'm amazed by the view. The Calanques are tall, rocky cliffs that drop down to the sparkling blue water. The colors are so bright and beautiful. I feel like I'm in a dream. I head to my hotel, a small, cozy place near the coast. The hotel is simple but charming, with a view of the cliffs and the sea. I check in, freshen up quickly, and change into comfortable clothes. I'm ready to explore. My friend who lives here in Calanques meets me at the hotel. His name is Antoine, and he knows the best places to visit here. Our first stop is Calanques de Sormieu, one of the most famous Calanques. We walk down a small trail surrounded by rocks and trees. The path is a little steep, but it's worth the effort. As we reach the bottom, I see the blue-green water in a small cove. The water is so clear that I can see the rocks at the bottom. Antoine tells me that this place is popular for swimming and diving. We sit by the shore for a while, enjoying the view and the sound of the waves. Next, we head to Calanques d'Envaux, known for its stunning cliffs and crystal clear water. The hike to reach it is longer and a bit tough, but Antoine assures me it's worth it. The trail winds through rocky paths, with tall cliffs on each side. Finally, we reach the cove and the view is breathtaking. The cliffs rise high above the blue water, and there are small boats in the bay. Some people are kayaking, while others are swimming or simply lying on the beach. We take a moment to enjoy the view, then sit on the rocks and dip our feet in the cool water. Our last stop is Calanques de Morjou, a quieter spot with fewer people. Here we find a small beach and sit down to rest. The beach feels peaceful, with only the sound of gentle waves. Antoine tells me that locals come here often to relax and enjoy the calm. I can see why it feels like a hidden paradise. All the walking and exploring makes us hungry. Antoine takes me to a small stall near the beach that serves a popular local snack called pissaladier. It's a type of flatbread topped with onions, olives, and anchovies. The taste is salty, rich, and delicious, perfect for a quick snack. I also try panisse, a fried snack made from chickpea flour. It's crispy on the outside and soft inside. I love the simple yet flavorful taste. After our snack, we stop at a nearby cafe. I order a coffee, and Antoine chooses a refreshing lemonade. We sit outside, enjoying our drinks and watching people pass by. The cafe has a relaxed vibe, with people chatting, laughing, and enjoying the sunny day. It feels like a perfect way to take a break. As the sun begins to set, we head to a small seafood restaurant by the coast for dinner. Calanques is famous for its fresh seafood, so I decide to try the bouillabaisse, a traditional fish stew with different types of fish, shellfish, and herbs. Antoine recommends it, saying it's a classic dish of the region. The stew is full of flavor, with the fresh taste of the sea, and it comes with bread and a sauce called rouille. The combination is delicious, and I enjoy every bite. Antoine orders grilled sardines, a simple but tasty dish. The fish is fresh and perfectly grilled, served with a side of salad. We enjoy our meal, sharing stories about our day and talking about life in Calanques. The restaurant feels cozy, with soft lights and a view of the sea. This dinner feels like a special moment in a perfect day. After dinner, we take a slow walk back to my hotel. The night air is cool, and the stars are bright in the sky. The Calanques are quiet, with only the sound of the sea and the occasional bird. As we walk, I feel grateful for this beautiful day and the chance to experience such a special place. At the hotel, I thank Antoine for showing me around. He smiles and says he enjoyed sharing his favorite spots with me. I go to my room feeling tired but happy. I sit by the window for a while, looking out at the night sky and listening to the sea. Then, I go to bed, ready to dream about the amazing places I saw today. Today was a day filled with beauty and peace. The Calanques are even more incredible than I imagined. From the clear blue water to the high cliffs, every place had its own charm. I feel lucky to have explored these hidden gems and to have Antoine as my guide. Each Calanque had something special: Sormieu with its clear water, Enval with its dramatic cliffs, and Morgiou with its calm beach. And the food. From the pissaladier to the bouillabaisse, each bite was full of flavor. This day in Calanques will stay with me for a long time. It was a perfect mix of adventure, relaxation, and delicious food. Tomorrow, I plan to visit Cassis, a small town near the Calanques known for its colorful houses and beautiful harbor. Antoine says it's a charming place with its own special character, and I'm excited to see it. Thank you for joining me on this journey to Calanques. I hope you enjoyed this story and felt the beauty of this magical place. See you in Cassis.